Ready to revamp your logo? Let's dive in. Open your logo in Illustrator. The Layers panel, usually on the right, neatly organizes your design elements. Pinpoint the layer containing the text you want to change. If the text isn't on its own layer, separate it. Select the text directly on the artboard or via the Layers panel. Using the Selection Tool V or the Direct Selection Tool, click to select the text. Many logos are outlined, so find those text boxes. Double-click the text to enter edit mode. The cursor blinks, ready for your update. Swap the original name for your new one. For example, cafe becomes coffee shop. Choose the Type tool T to change fonts, colors, and sizes within the character panel, available at the top. Experiment with different fonts, sizes, and colors. Align the new name style with the existing logo or create a fresh look. Finally, adjust the new name's placement within the design. Finesse the position using the selection tool until perfectly balanced. Save. And there you go. Your logo evolution complete.